Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for the flight status using your flight number in the TAP Portugal application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the flight status button at the bottom of the page. And then at the search by section, click on the flight number button. So for this, you have to provide your flight's number here. So just type it in. And then you have to set the date as well. You can always set the like today's date and then the previous day and then the next day. So and then just click on the search button, and of course if you have a valid flight number, then your the flight status will appear. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.